here? Why are they here?
Oh.
That Philippine serpent eagle. Hey, come on. The family's here today. Uy, hinadahan. Gunit. Inay. Jump.
Bawal yung ligo dre.
Maligo man.
It looks like a rat.
Maligo.
I could jump in it.
Nanay, mga life jackets gani.
Oh, you going to
We are on our own.
Our way back.
Yep. Ikaw wag si Kamtang.
Tignan mo rin.
Are you pulling us back? We are back.